Hello students, welcome to CREATA classes. In this lecture, we will cover question number 4, exercise 13.3, chapter statistics for class 10th student. Here, this is the question number 4. In this question, the data is given regarding the length of the 40 leaves of a plant. We are having a plant which is having 40 leaves, or we have taken the data of the 40 leaves. The length of the 40 leaves data is given. In the first column, we are having the length of the leaf in millimeter mm. In the second column, we are having the number of leaves. For example, 3 leaves are having the length in the range of 118 to 126. 5 leaves are in the range of 127 to 135. Similarly, the range or the data is given regarding the length of the leaves and the number of leaves. And here in this question, we have to find the median length of the leaf. That is, we have to calculate the median of the data. This is important question because the range is somewhat distorted. If you review all the previous questions, the range is somewhat distorted. Now the question is that before we proceed, can you locate what is the error in the ranges of this question? You can pause the video and you can refer the previous questions of the mean or the mode or even the medians. What is wrong with the ranges? Pause the video, think, go back and again come here. To understand this error, let's take the first two rows. The lower limit of the second row should match with the upper limit of the first row. Here the upper limit of first row it is 126 and the lower limit of second row it is 127. So we are having the missing value from 126 to 127. So this is the error. And in the questions related to the mean, mode and median, the ranges should match. That is, the upper range of the first row should match with the lower range of the second row. Similarly, this should match in the complete all rows. Here we are having the data from 127 to 135. And also we are having the data from 136 to 144. But the data from 135 to 136 it is missing. Only the range is missing. In reality or in the actual case, we are not having anything in between 135 to 136. Or we are not having anything in between 126 to 127. Just we are having the data, but in doing the calculation, the upper range of the first row should match with the lower range of the second row. Okay? And how we solve this question? We will fill the gap. We are having several gaps. We will fill the gap using some assumptions. Let's take a number line and let's draw all these ranges and let's try to visualize this concept. This is one of the important concept and you should know it. We have taken a number line and we have taken all the ranges. The first it is from 118 to 126. Second it is 127 to 135. We are having the gap from 126 to 127. Similarly, in all these ranges, we are having a gap of 1 unit and we have to fill this gap. What is the solution? Let's increase the upper limit of all these ranges by 0.5 and let's decrease the lower range of all this range by 0.5. By doing so, we can fill the gap. Okay, we have increased the upper limit by 0.5 and we have decreased the lower limit by 0.5. The question may be coming in your mind, will this not distort our data? No, this will not distort our data. For example, if we talk about 127 to 135, we are having 5 leaves. It means that 5 leaves are having the length from 127 to 135. Now also our data is true. That is, we are having 5 leaves whose length are 126.5 to 135.5. The number of leaves are not changed, only we have changed the range. Just for understanding, I am taking one more example. It will be a quick example. We are having a box of mangoes. Suppose we are having 20 mangoes in this box. Can we say the number of mangoes in the box is between 15 to 25? Yes, we can say so. It is having 20 mango, it is lying in this range. Or we can say the number of the mangoes in this box is from 10 to 30. Or 5 to 35 or 0 to 40, anything, all these ranges are true. We are having the number of mangoes as 20. So all this data is true. We have not done anything or the distortion with the data. Just we have played with the range. I have taken some extra time to go to the deep concept, but believe me, this is important and questions are generally asked based on this concept. Let's update the table. Let's update all the ranges with our new ranges. Okay students, we got our new table with the new ranges. Now we can easily solve for the median using our traditional way of solving the question. What we will do, we will add one more column, which is the cumulative frequency column. And what we do in the cumulative frequency, we add the frequency. In the first row, it will be 3. In the second row, it will be 3 plus 5, which is 8. In the third row, it will be 8 plus 9, which is 17. In the fourth row, it is 17 plus 12, which is 29. Next, it is 34, 38, and 40. We got the cumulative frequency column. And this is the formula of the median. Our first step is finding n by 2. Here n is the total addition of the frequency or the last column of the cumulative frequency, which is the addition of all these values, which is 40. So n it is 40, n by 2 it is 20. Next step, we have to locate in which row our n by 2, that is 20, is coming. Here the 20th observation is coming in this row. Up to third row we are having total 17 observation. Up to fourth row we are having 29 observation. So our 20th observation will come in the fourth row. Further, this class will be called the median class. 144.5 to 153.5 will be called the median class, and the corresponding frequency will be f. We got f as 12, and the lower limit of the median class will be L, that is the lower limit. So 144.5 will be L, and H is the class size, upper limit minus lower limit. 153.5 minus 144.5, it is 9. And what is CF? Cumulative frequency of the row before the median class row. So here 17, it will be CF. We got all the values. Let's put it into the formula. Let's solve it. We got the median as 146.75. That is the answer. If you observe, this median is coming in our median class range. So our answer is correct. Okay. We got the median length of the leaf as 146.75 mm. So students, we have done with this lecture. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If so, please like, share and subscribe. And also check out the description for various resources related to class 10th, like the continuing lecture, the lectures related to other topics, and the PDF of the formula list. All this in the description, check it out. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with CREATA Classes. Have a great day. Bye for now.